Hello, happy assembly. I hope everybody's had a really lovely day. I've had a great day. It's been really lovely outside, and I was so proud of everybody when I was in the hall today and when I was outside because you were all so well behaved and playing really well. So that's absolutely brilliant. Well done, everybody. Keep that up because that was really lovely to see. Now, today, what we're going to do in assembly is, first of all, obviously, we're going to have a look at some global goals. And we're going to have a look at all of them at the moment. And it doesn't say global goals at the top, it says sustainable development goals. They're sometimes called that, big posh words, but we call them global goals. And today we are going to have a look at lots and lots of things all in the same go. We're going to have a look at good health and well-being. We're going to have a look at affordable and clean energy. We're going to have a look at innovation, industry, infrastructure. We're going to have a look at reduced inequalities, sustainable cities, communities. We're going to look at climate action, life on land, life below water. We're going to look at partnerships for the goals. We've got one big idea that is mega easy, that you can all do really easily. And I'm going to see if we can all take part in it. And it's going to make sure we think about all of these goals. So we are going to have a go at the big walk and wheel event at Wincham. Now, Sustrans is an organisation that tries to get people out of their cars and outside walking or wheeling in some way, not using cars. And they're an amazing organisation. They put in footpaths and cycle paths all over the country for people to use. And next week, we're going to see if we can encourage everybody to come to work, come to school without using a car. Or if you need to use a car, use it for less of your journey. So it's the largest walking, wheeling, scooting, and cycling to school challenge. And the challenge is 15 years old. So it's been going for longer than you have been alive. And the idea is that we record as many active journeys to school as we can over the next 2 weeks. Okay, so we've got 2 weeks where we can all record active journeys to school. And I am encouraging all of the staff to do this as well, all the teachers to join in, because we can all get involved in it too. So it runs from the 11th of March to the 22nd, and we can take part for all 10 days, but only the best 5 days decide our final position. So it might be that on one day, not many people take part. But then on the next day, lots and lots of people do. So that will be one of the days that is included for us. So we're going to be able to log how many people come to school that way. So why are we doing this? Now, we talked about the global goals, but Sustrans have put together this. They said travelling actively, it's great exercise, good health and well-being. Travelling actively to school means we arrive more alert and ready to learn. So if you've actually got up and walked, your brain is already fired up. So good education. More people travelling actively to school means cleaner air, less traffic, less noise. Wow, we've got loads of different global goals in that. We've got infrastructure, we've got climate action, life on land, all sorts of things. And walking, wheeling and scooting to school, we know it's just good fun. If you can walk with your mates or with your family, if you can get on your bike, if you can scoot, you have a good time. So we've got good health and well-being. And there is actually a way to win prizes as well, which would be quite cool. So we've got all these really good reasons to take part, and we want to be part of something big. By taking part, we can learn about how changing our school journey can help us change the world for the better. So it's all linked into the global goals. It's a really important thing that we can be part of. So did you know last year, the Sustrans Big Walk and Wheel Challenge helped avoid just under 1,900 tonnes of CO2 and over 3,000 kilograms of NOx emissions. And there is a video that I've sent to the teachers with this, so you can pause my video, go look at the video that Sustrans have put together. It's only 1 minute long, and we can come back to this video. So we know that people worry about air pollution, We know that school children think that adults aren't doing enough to tackle climate change. Well, we're talking about it now. It's one of our Sustainable Development Goals. So let's have a look at the video from last year, and we're going to learn some facts that were the impact of the Big Walk and Wheel last year. So pause my video, have a look at this one, and then come back to me. Okay. So you've watched that video. There's lots of stuff that walk and wheel to school has done. Massive, massive impact. And it's made the climate better. We want our world to be a happy, healthy place where we can cycle, where we can scoot, where we can walk. And we would like it to be nice and safe for us to do it. So the idea is that you walk, wheel, scoot, or cycle to school as many times as you can. Now, you might live a long way away and you might have to come in the car because there's no way that you can walk. Okay, that's fine. But don't get mum and dad to park in the school car park. That's the thing. See if you can get mum and dad to leave 5 minutes earlier, and you have to help with that. You have to be up and out early. Leave 5 minutes earlier and walk a little bit to school. Or ask mum and dad if you can put the scooter in the car and scoot to school. And if you live in Wincham, there's no excuse. You should be doing it anyway. So that's the challenge that I would give to the teachers as well. I'm going to try it. I'm going to cycle to school. And you might see me with my bike. If I'm late to school, I might just end up with my bike and all of my cycling gear on the playground. I hope I managed to get changed first. But if you don't want to cycle all the way from home, you can just cycle part of the way. You can meet with your friends, and it might be that you could walk together with a big group of people with lots of mums and dads. So the idea is we have lots and lots of people walking, wheeling, scooting, cycling to school. And there are lessons that your teachers can come up with as part of this as well. So if we have over 15% of our pupils taking part on each day, then we will be entered into the daily prize draw. And the prizes include accessories and equipment to help travel to school safely. So the more people we have with active journeys, the better chance we have of winning a prize. So what we're hoping for is that everybody joins in, everybody takes part, and between us all, we can tackle some of these global goals that were right at the start of our assembly. Here, we got loads of them that we were working towards with this to make our world a better place by being fit and healthy and active. And I'm going to do my part. I'm going to get my bike and I'm going to cycle to work as well. Okay, so that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I think we can do. I hope we can do it. Everybody can take part. See you soon, guys.